name is Bean and I'm 7 years old.
My name is Linda. I'm 5 years old. My name is Anna. I'm 7 years old.
Today our topic is about parts of plants. Lesson 1. There are six parts of a plant. Let's talk about some. This is a plant. A plant
Con xoài.
is a living thing and it needs air, water, and sunlight. This is our plant. If there isn't any dirt inside here, it wouldn't survive right now. And if it doesn't have water, it won't survive right now. My mother just picked it out of the soil. So we have to put some soil in this bottle so the plant can live a little longer, so we can explain this topic. If there isn't sunlight here, it wouldn't survive much longer. If there's sunlight here, it will survive much longer than before. It started to it's not survive. It's almost not surviving anymore. And now it's your turn. Explain some more about the plants.
Thỉnh thoảng các bạn sẽ phải đặt câu hỏi cho các bạn học sinh, nhớ chưa? Để có sự tương tác với nhau.
Can you handle
Xoài đứng dậy.
question for both of the students? We still talk about plants. What do they do taken? We haven't learned about that yet, silly. What teacher kind of that? Hi, teachers. The root taking water so it can live. Now let's talk about 5 parts of the plants. The 5 parts of the plants are the root, the stem, the leaf, the flower,
Xoài đứng
and
dậy,
the
Xoài.
fruit.
Xoài ơi.
Let's start by the roots. The
Chị Đậu để cho em
roots
xoài cầm
take
cho.
in water.
Đậu ơi.
And it holds the plant in the soil. Is there haven't any roots here? The tree has the roots, and if there hasn't a root, it wouldn't stay in the ground. It would just tip over.
It would die.
No, it wouldn't. Yes, it will die, but it will tip over, and it won't get to stem up straight like this.
But there is one kind of flowers you can eat it. It's next meat. Look, when you pull it out,
It's
you see
nectar.
some water.
This kind of flower is
I want to
nectar.
eat it. Wow, it's very yummy. And now we will come to the stem. The stem.
No, not eating is
If the plant don't have the stem, it will be like super short.
really, yes,
It will
and it will hold the plant from falling.
And if there's no stem, there will be fall, like when we fall from an edge or from space. And when we fall down, it will like be dead.
Die. Yeah. And also, the stem carries food and water to the plants. Its food is sunlight, water, and air and soil. So, now the next one is a leaf. This is the leaf of this plant. Its leaf can make our toothpaste, where the toothpaste we put on our toothbrush to brush our teeth.
But that kind of leaf, it's hard to find. It is mint, and when it mints, it will be. When we drink water, it will be so fresh. And when we breathe in, it will be like so cold. And we drink cold water, it will be like so cold.
Oh yes, that's right.
And it is used to make gum too. I like to eat the gum.
So can you ask some questions?
What do mints fly? What does mint make into?
Question begins.
What do we use to brush our teeth? What we put on our toothbrush and we put in the water and What do we put on the toothbrush? Did you know?
Toothpaste. Yes,
Wow.
that's mint toothpaste. And another kind that we can eat makes out of mint. It is a flavor of mint. Can anyone answer? Teacher B?
It is made of mint because it can make our teeth.
No, I'm not asking of that.
What?
I'm asking, what can mint make?
It can make gum, tooth, and toothpaste.
Mint gum, right? You mean
Yes.
mint
Lemon.
gum?
What?
It's one, yes, a mint gum is one of those types. There can be mint ice cream too.
Wow, right. I love mint ice cream too.
Now, can anyone tell more things that makes from mint? Mint?
Another thing.
Yes.
We can make it into mint perfume.
Yes, that's
And
right.
we can chop it and smash it and
It's
put a
fine.
little bit water and put a little
That's
bit
just an
sticky
experience.
and we will make them and we will make a sticky but it will be a perfect perfume when we put it on our face. It will smell so nice.
Yes, but that's just an experience. People make perfume in another way. I haven't learned that yet, and I think we can learn that when we grow up.
And we have made our own perfume. I learned it on Peppa Pig.
And the leaf takes in light and air so the plant can live. And it helps the plant to get food. Right now, it doesn't have its food. So it wouldn't survive much longer. Look, it is falling here. Right, everyone? Right?
Because the soil is drowning in the water.
This is a flower. The flower is not here, but look, this tree has the flowers. Bees take honey from the flowers. He just shows he is drinking the nectar like a bee.
We love to eat that.
Yes. The flower is very useful and very beautiful.
But we use it to make our steady perfume.
Perfume.
And it doesn't smell nice. It just
Water smell. Yes. It's the flower joins together. The bees help the flowers join together to make the fruit. Like Papa flower and Mama flower makes baby fruit.
how silly.
So flowers can do so many kinds of things that help. The flowers makes fruits that we eat here.
Yes! But not that.
Bây giờ đặt câu hỏi cho
Dạ.
em đi. Đặt câu hỏi chéo.
The flower. What can flowers make?
Well, flower.
Does anyone have the answers?
Does anyone? Silly y'all.
Trả lời câu hỏi chị kìa. Linda.
Only Linda knows English. She is learning English. Only Linda knows English. Say the answer.
What do you say?
What can flowers make?
Flower can make a perfume.
Uh,
Yes, we know that.
bad smelling perfume or good smelling perfume?
Bad. That's good. We will make good perfume.
Yes. And your answer is wrong. It's good smelling perfume, not bad.
So silly. Aren't you?
Now let's talk about the fruit. Part of this plant has. Can anyone answer this? Part of this plant has seeds.
Yes, teacher. Huh? What?
Part of this plant have seed. What is it?
An apple, a watermelon, everything.
Yes, and what is so in? Is that what is? I mean, what is a part of it? What is it name? What part is it? Is a watermelon is a fruit, or is it like a vegetable? That's what's a name. Now, can anyone answer it?
Its name is watermelon. It tastes very sweet.
And it is a fruit.
Yes!
Not just watermelon.
Linda.
And apples and lemons are common types of fruit. Lemons, you can squeeze them into a kind of maybe
And you can use this thing to cover your body, and you will be like Egyptians.
yeah. Lemons are very, very, very sour. Can you eat lemons alone?
No.
Yes, you can eat it, but it's very, very sour. If you just eat it one squeeze of lemon,
I can eat 10 squeezes of lemon.
yes, but what is lemonade made from? Lemon, right?
Yes.
But after they drink it, they have to squeeze a lemon and drop some sugar inside, so it can be sweet, not sour. That's a lemonade we drink.
I can eat 10.
Yeah. We will add sugar.
But if we don't have sugar,
Very sour. Let's experience around our yard. Let's go experience around the yard.
Dẫn đường đi.
Here we have this type of flower.
yum yum.
It's a rose.
Wow.
Sometimes
Some beautiful rose.
a girl and a woman and a man will marry each other, and sometimes they will pick this kind of flower and the man will give it to the woman. They got bride and this is rose. Yes, this is a flower and its name is a rose.
It's beautiful.
It is very beautiful.
Keep on.
My garden has pink and red rose.
And her garden is deep down in the mountain on the yard.
Yes.
So what are you doing?
And let's go here.
Let's go, steady.
This kind of flower, if it's translated from Vietnamese to English, it is called paper flower. It's like paper, and if we touch it, it is flat like sandpaper. So this is called paper flowers. Now, in your garden, is there any more flowers? You can take a picture of them and write about it in the comments. Thank you for listening. Come here. Come here. You can take a picture of the paper flowers. Now, Bean and I going to be here. Bean and I is going to be here. Linda is going to be here. Paper flower. And Anna is going to be here.
As Spider-Man.
Yes. Okay, let's take a picture. Cheese, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Nào bài thật to thật tơi lên nào.
Goodbye.